today we are in Ubud. Wow, so happy to come back again in YouTube because Damian previously were traveling to Singapore and Malaysia, but today I come back again. So yeah, today it's weekend. Wow. And we will stroll around in Ubud area and show you how it is Ubud nowadays. Let's go.
Let's go. And meanwhile, this is how's the the guy go, the lady stuck. And also this is like one of the kind of walking streets where the motorbikes are allowed actually, so it's not necessarily the walking street. And yeah, this situation is kind of busy, I could say. Ubud is definitely kind of the most vibrant place in Bali so far right now. Check this out. Actually, quite a lot of people walking from in and out. There's the groups, people from all around the world. They are just walking, enjoying, strolling. So here we go. You can enjoy a little bit what's going on. Traffic situation on the footpath, traffic situation on the street. Kinda busy, I could say. Oh yeah, kinda busy. So what do you think? Kinda busy, huh?
Yeah, so we just stand up before, it's just simply quiet, and then boom.
Suddenly people came.
And then look at over there in the small walking street. Wow.
Yeah. This is at the front of the Starbucks. Behind the Starbucks is Pura Saraswati, like a nice temple for the pictures, by the way. And the dance is also over there, and the shopping street is there. So yeah, okay, let's go. Actually, if we are already here, we decide to get inside the Pura Saraswati and show you inside. But I'm genuinely surprised. This is really a little bit busy today. Like, check this out. So I don't know what is more interesting or what's going on the street. There's so many people from all around the world driving, walking, or as there is the temple and the performance like this one. I'm not sure if they're gonna let us in, but let's try. Let's get inside a little bit. I think so. It shouldn't be a problem. People chilling at the front of the Starbucks. And if you go not to Starbucks but behind, there's really nice looking little temple. Here we go. They are already preparing for the dances, for the performance, and people coming here mostly to making pictures and videos, obviously. Yeah, and during the pandemic, if you were here in Ubud, you could walk here and nobody was here, but those times are gone. Yeah, okay. Beautiful shots.
All right. I just remember that last time, previous weeks, previous days, one video is actually gone viral. Is about one lady who is just like naked dancing right there, honey.
She went there inside, opened the door. Don't do this, guys.
Don't do that. Don't do that. So, well, the brand new thing is about from the government of Bali nowadays. Whenever you are arriving in Bali, you will get just like a small leaflet, small paper regarding about do's and don'ts whenever you come to Bali. So it's just like, small information, but like a booklet. So that's the thing, the current update things from the Bali government.
But of course, this is for kind of people who are just genuinely dumb and stupid, because overall, if you're a normal person, you should know what to do, what you don't do, and you're not gonna go naked there anyways, right? So you must have some other problems. All those people selling the dances, and behind this place there is the King Palace and the performance, and so many people actually here and there. Traffic situation. Also many people wearing helmets nowadays. I just realized. I'm kind of surprised, I'm gonna tell you. And let's say people don't park their cars anymore, or I saw some bikes over there on Jalan Monkey Forest when we are passing, but only few motorbikes and one or two cars. But overall people still don't parking like we mentioned last time. And this is it. This is what's going on. I still can't believe that some people are wearing the masks outdoors. But yeah, this is it. Your own choice, of course. And that's the market and the billboard. But the billboard display like I don't know what they are display. How much is the chili? The billboard displays how much is the chili in the market. I don't know why actually. What's the purpose?
Okay.
But yeah.
So if I could turn back time, we remember the time when it was pandemic and we made video every single day, thinking that is the Bali tourism gonna recover? Is the pandemic gonna over or something like that? But now it's just like about 2 years later, 3 years later, when we see like this.
Somehow it's back.
somehow it's back, but somehow what I feel personally like mixed feeling in terms of the changes of Bali.
It's not the same like it was, isn't it?
Yeah. So
No, but seriously, look at that. People wearing helmets now. That's changed. Locals and then foreigners.
so what I see about nowadays in June, July is basically the holiday season already started. The school holiday for the Indonesian already started, and we see that the traffic everywhere, even in Denpasar, the traffic is already horrendous. And Ubud traffic still the same like this, yeah, honey, yeah?
Yeah, still the same. However, sometimes you can find the spots like that. This is not that tragic. This is thanks to that as the cars are not allowed to park there. So, but yeah, overall, get ready for the traffic in Bali, especially Ubud and everywhere. Actually, everywhere, guys. So last time we showed you the market from the inside. How does it look like? But today we're gonna show you from the outside, from the street perspective. Yeah, it's getting busy. So most of the shops are occupied. Behind the building there is the traditional street. This one is a little bit more modern. Together open with the Kuta one, what I filmed yesterday. In case if you would like to see, it's a little bit different this one to compare to Kuta. So yeah, and well, and the first and only one lightning billboard in whole entire Ubud is today here. And yeah, that's it. Gonna get some coffee somewhere there. If you are curious where is the entrance to the traditional street, is there just behind the building. And the good tip is this flashy billboard is here, and there you go deep inside. You can go up to the end of the street, and there are like a local guest houses and the local market. Just wanted to let you know how to navigate easily.
It's time for coffee and cake, and I'll show you the place where we are now. It's called Simply Social. Damian already have his cake. And yeah, next to it we can see the kitchen next to us basically. So yeah, this is it. How is the place? What I can say that it's quite busy. Almost all the tables are taken. And yeah, this is the situation, the dinner situation basically in Ubud today. So nice. And yeah, it's a very nice place to chill, you know, after working. And very nice. We just didn't realize that, I think that's 7th of June, right honey? 3 years ago we started our YouTube channel, and today we just celebrate that 3 years non-stop every single day making YouTube videos, ups and downs, up and downs. So yeah, we would like to say thank you so much for those viewers who still watching us until now. And then yeah, we are so grateful having such a great community in our YouTube channel. So this is it. So happy.
Alright, it's been 3 years when we are vlogging every single day. Time flies so quick, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
so
just like a small baby, slowly grow up.
Oh my
It's
god.
amazing to see how it grows. Now it's time to explore the Jalan Gautama street. So like you see surrounds us. You know, I think that the tourists who come to Ubud mostly nowadays, they are more like a young tourists, yeah, honey, a young generation.
Looks like, little bit looks like. And yeah, this is small street.
Look at all the rest.
Gautama, yeah, the restaurant is pretty full. Most of the restaurants are pretty full. All of those restaurants previously they were closed or empty. Alright, so after that you have a few other small boutiques like this one, very cute. This one is actually ice cream shop, like chai bowls or something like that. Some paintings, you know, like little shops. Some other coffee shops like this one also. This is actually Japanese. That sushi place.
I like to stroll around in Jalan Gautama street.
Yeah, it's very like an enjoyable little street here. Cars, I don't think so if they are allowed, but the motorbikes, yeah, but most likely it feels little bit of the walking street. There's no proper walking streets in Bali, but let's say this is somehow kinda equivalent of. Okay, so there are kinda so many small businesses also, like a little coffee shop and yeah. Also, this place is famous for the homestays, like these ones, like those ones. Still quite a lot of Russians in Ubud for some reason, just in case if you ask. But obviously, they didn't really has changed the topic of this one. So just wanted to let you know because some people asked me recently. And yeah, overall, very enjoyable afternoon in Ubud. This is actually Saturday afternoon when we are filming it. So this is probably the most busiest peak, but like I said, actually shouldn't be a difference Saturday or Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, because if you are on holidays every day for you supposed to be like a Saturday, except for of course the expats who are living here and the locals obviously. Oh, first person without the helmet, a local boy actually. Oh, this place looks pretty decent, eh?
Yeah.
This is nice, huh?
Very nice. Oh,
Yeah, this
they
is like
have a ramen.
Japanese, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, and another one, very nice food here, and so many spas. And of course, the local people living on the left, on the right, their houses, and some of them they are just living there, and some of them they transform into the little guest houses, like this one, for example, over here. It's little bit feels like walking in Hoi An in Vietnam, with the differences. There are motorbikes allowed here. In Vietnam, they are not allowed, especially in the heritage city. So that's the kind of big difference. As you can see, quite a lot of motorbikes everywhere. But also we realize there's quite a lot of brand new restaurants. We are Japanese restaurants like ramen or sushi. I don't know why it's like that, but for some reason the Japanese restaurants are so popular in Ubud nowadays, recently. So many new places and quite a lot of new places actually, even on Jalan Gautama. Some very fancy boutique here, and this is the corner. I didn't see so much crowd on the other side of the street actually. The taxi boy also here waiting for you, and also Golden Monkey, that's the Chinese restaurant, just in case if you would like to try. Yeah, that's it. That's how the life looks like today, huh?
Yeah, in the wood.
This is the street leading to the Jalan Monkey Forest. There are also some nice restaurants and boutiques like this one, and piercing and tattoo shop and massage parlors and many other establishments. Also like a tour agency, money changers, like small ones.
So now we are back to Jalan Monkey Forest, the busiest street actually, and we are in front of one restaurant, and we saw already the traffic, and then we will go home after this.
That's right, little bit of the traffic must to be, otherwise it will be too boring in Ubud if there will be no traffic, right? But yeah, this is Jalan Monkey Forest. Everybody going to the main corner where is the King Palace, and then this is one-way road system obviously. So this is it, and this is the place. We have two restaurants on the top, which is also very interesting, interesting style, interesting vibe, and little bit of the nice shots. Previously we showed you around 5 o'clock how does look the situation. Now it's around 7 o'clock, which is already night time. So you have a little bit point of view. But yeah, the cars and motorbikes are not parking on the side of the street like previous weeks and months ago, and years actually. And when I was here last time, it was 2 weeks ago, and still it's like that. So I'm positively surprised about that. That's for sure. That's good. And yeah, let's see what interesting we can find on the street. Regarding the tourists who are walking on the street, yeah, the same. Actually, quite a lot, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know if I can say it's exactly the same like it was before pandemic. It's definitely alright, it's not bad, but is it the same like it was? Well, maybe not. It feels a little bit, everything slightly different. Alright guys, I'm gonna tell you it's hot as always. Actually got some drinks. There is the art market and where we start today's video, and the traffic actually, yeah, it's nearly 7 o'clock. It's pretty advanced, I'm gonna tell you. Even there are cars and motorbikes going both lanes. This cafe also is very nice. What is the name? The Tropical. It's pretty alright for the coffee or dinner. More and more people coming. This is like a mini market, but they put the boxes on the footpath. It's so hard actually, it's so squeezy. Alright, yeah, thank you so much. 3 years and over 30 years to come until I'm gonna get old and couldn't handle making those videos anymore. Okay, maybe my cock will shake and my hand will shake, couldn't handle. Okay, because the driver here already stressed, it makes me stress as well. I will see you tomorrow. I have to go home, probably 2 hours to drive. Even with driving a bike, it's not gonna help us too much. Right, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Cheers.
Alright, so we just finished our drink here and watching the traffic in Ubud. This is it.
Sayang, what do you think? How long we gonna get home now, huh?
Huh?
What do you think? How long we gonna go home now?
Traffic here and another traffic will be in bypass Sanur. Another 2 hours. You see, being a daily YouTuber in Bali is not that easy. Right?
Yeah, this is what I do in all days actually, spending time in the traffic, driving around. But
More
really that's
than-
actually true, right?
Yeah, more than full-time job.
Mm.